Hey everybody, how's it going? My name's Cameron Connor, and today I am bringing you a small FMOD tip that you can use in order to have your multi-instrument pick one of its sounds and loop that specific sound over the course of the event's lifetime. I guess a scenario where this might be useful is if you have a bunch of like electric barriers in a game and you have 5 different electric barrier sounds and they are looping over the course of the entire level in the game, so you want to pick one and stick with it without having 5 different events. This is how you would do it. So you would first make your event. I'm just going to pick a 2D event and call it event, and I am going to populate the track with a multi-instrument. I'm going to set that to asynchronous, and I'm going to set it to loop endlessly. Cool, so that is step 1. Then we're going to have to drop our sounds into that multi-instrument. I conveniently have them set up 4 different loops. Cool. I'm going to create a loop region, and let's loop them and see what happens. Cool, as you can see, it picks A, B, C, or D every single time the loop comes back around. We're almost there. We just don't exactly want that behavior. So what you want to do then is to select every single sound in your multi-instrument playlist, and you want to set each of those individual sounds to loop infinitely. I tried selecting them all and doing that in one concise key press, but that didn't quite work for me. But regardless, once you've done that, if you press play or trigger the event to fire, it will pick A, B, C, or D and continuously loop that multi-instrument's sound over the course of the event's lifetime, like this. So, not super groundbreaking stuff, but when I was trying to figure out how to do this, I spent a lot of time searching the internet for an answer. And I figured it might be good to just populate the internet with a little bit of, tool tips for FMOD Studio, so that if you are in the situation and you search something similar to what I searched, you will come across this video and I will save you a lot of time. Anyway, I guess this video also assumes that you have a rudimentary understanding of FMOD, because I figure that I do not need to add to the list of introductory tutorials of the software. There are tons of them, and a lot of really good ones, so this is just for a specific case. Anyway, that's it. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.